Hello? Samantha, my sweetness. Hello?
Hello?
Samantha, my sweetness.
Hello, Febunjani.
Ngangiphuphile ka into ade ngifuna ukutshela and I dreamt you.
Serious?
Hey.
Uphupheni?
When first things first, ungakho wakwuphupha.
Wakwaphupha.
Wakwuphupha?
Eh.
Waphupha usenzani?
Ugijinyiswa isilwane.
Ugijinyiswa isilwane? I mean, who does that? What kind of a man dreams a beautiful girl like you being chased away by a lion? Honestly, is that right?
No, it's not.
Man, now tell him Pupen Kala.
Uphupheni la.
Figure out building so on. Building lani sitsha so ka bekhipha abantu lama ambulance lama fire brigade but umlilo suhlane. Fike lapha nambuze abantu bonke baphumile yini kuthiwe no kulotshero oyi1 osele umbani osele kuthiwe nguSamantha ka ngawuzumoya wami yazi ngabe ngizonda lapha tingamanzi lapha ngazithela umzimba wonke ngabe ngingena phakathi ngulanda yabona ngathola ukuquthile ekhoneni sokukhala ka you looked pathetic. Yes, I saw ungakhali because I acted yabona. Wathi ngibona watawa so wekugijima ubuya kimi wathi you've come Mdawini, I knew you were going to come, take me from this place, I'm not safe here. Gijima so wafika wangaka so wangaka so I felt warm. Mna angakwazi totsheri lama amabhora ayi2 echestini la yabona anganacijile so angana soft angana khudumala ka ngezengithinta la bangabe ngukhangela nje ama serious so wena what na baby we are not coming out of this one alive, we are dying here. Yeah, and obviously as long as I die close by you I don't care. And obviously baby, if we are dying really not here we are dying, then let's die in style. Not what style, let's die making love. Then you started to kiss me, and when your lips touched mine, uzibona ipower yothando so uyazi kwabe uqalisa ukunizulu from no elikhulu lana kala cishe umlilo and we survive nje the power of love yazi Samantha so laphana so ngikubambile so abantu lesibona sebentshanda izandla ngani yihero Mdawini yazi
Baby, I hero sweet.
Serious ngingasiphandla laphana wena ubuya kimi anti ufika usima phambi kwami uqamele chestini yami lapho ngikhangela usima ngonyawo luyi1 usithi baby I owe my life to you, will you marry me? And kawuzibone ngingakakuphenduli ka kube uqoqoda umuntu eminyango emvusa iphupho lingapheki yazi ngizondile njani. How can you disturb a romantic dream in procession?
Shit man.
Yazi omunye naye ngingavulisa ivalo umuntu uthi tilikuthengisa cobra. Yazi ngicaphulile umuntu lwana. How can you interrupt such a dream because of me a cobra?